Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over Primechain. Now Primechain is going up for pre-sale in about a day and a half on pinksale.finance. Looks like it's going to be a public pre-sale, does not say whitelist only or anything like that. We're going to be going over the information on Primechain and how you can get it even after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account, it's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So Primechain is trending right now on Pink Sale, number 12 spot. They don't start for a day and a half for pre-sale. But you could check it out right now and see if you like this token before thinking about investing. So they have a full audit listed on Pink Sale here. Looks like they were audited by InterFi Network, and you can view the PDF of that on Pink Sale. They also have a KYC on here, which means their team was doxed to a company called Solid Proof to verify who they are for security reasons. And they also have the Seifu badge on here as well. So they have the audit, the KYC, Seifu badge, and if you get this token, you can get this token after the pre-sale is over. Shortly after, it'll be listed on PancakeSwap, and another security feature on here is that liquidity will be locked for 366 days. So they also have a quick audit by Analytics Audit. It says, no mint function found. Owner cannot mint tokens after initial deployment. Owner can't change buy and sell fees over 10%. Owner can't set max transaction. Owner can't set a blacklist, and owner can't change trading status. So all sorts of good features listed on there. It says Primechain ecosystem for the future. It's a fast, decentralized blockchain system empowering the decentralized financial NFT and the metaverse. It has a DEX completed. It says buy tax 1%, sell tax 3%, PMC Explorer completed, and PMC deployed on MetaMask. So they also have a Reddit, Telegram, Twitter official webpage, and embedded YouTube video that you could watch on Pink Sale here. Primechain's the name of the token. PMC's the ticker symbol. 18 decimal places on this token. Total supply is 100 million tokens. Tokens for pre-sale, 23.88 million tokens. Tokens for liquidity, 15.21 million tokens, and soft cap for this pre-sale is going to be 50 BNB, and there is no hard cap, so basically this pre-sale will just continue until it's over. And yeah, it won't fill the hard cap in 2 seconds, so you'll have lots of time to be able to get in if you want to. They do have a full white paper, it looks like, on their webpage. If you go over to their webpage, it is primechain.network, and you can click on white paper and it'll take you to all the information you need. It says, Primechain is an innovative solution to bring programmability and interoperability to Primechain. Primechain relies on a system of POA consensus that can support short block time and lower fees. The most bonded validator candidates of staking will become validators and produce blocks. The double sign detection and other slashing logic guarantee security, stability, and chain finality. What can I do with Primechain? The purpose of this new blockchain and DEX is to create an alternative marketplace for issuing and exchanging digital assets in a decentralized manner. You can send and receive PMC, issue new tokens to digitize assets, and use Primechain as underlying exchange transfer network for the assets. So for a developer, you can run a full node to listen to a broadcast, live updates on transactions, blocks, and consensus activities. PMC TC boasts smart contract functionality and compatibility with the Ethereum virtual machine. The design goal here was to leave the high throughput of Primechain intact while introducing smart contracts into its ecosystem. Because TC is EVM compatible, it launched with support from the rich universe of Ethereum tools and dApps. In theory, this makes it easy for developers to port their projects over to Ethereum for users. It means that applications like MetaMask can be easily configured to work with TC. Seriously, it's just a matter of tweaking a couple settings. Check out the use of MetaMask for Prime to get started. You can also send and receive PMC, explore the transaction history and blocks of the chain via PMC scan, API and Node RPC interfaces. Developers can also issue new tokens to digitize assets, run a full node to listen to a broadcast of live updates on transactions, blocks, and consensus activities, develop wallets and tools to help users use dApps. To get started, want to try Primechain, just give a peek at the few pages on their starting guide on their white paper, and you can also read through the frequently asked questions, it says. If you want to develop on Primechain too, that's another place to get started. So the asset management, the PMC20 asset, a token protocol with PMC, which is compatible with ERC20. It extends ERC20 and contains more interfaces, such as get owner and decimals. And you can read a full proposal on github.com/PMC chain. And so, yeah, they have a wallet, issue PMC20, Primechain, and other coins, mainnet switch. PMC coin was an ERC20 token on the Ethereum network. After the launch of PMC chain, PMC coin will be converted into native PMC tokens on the main network via the exchange platform at pmcscan.com, a pragmatic and efficient way to perform the initial token swap. Primechain is ready for other projects to migrate their tokens to take advantage of performant transactions with more liquidity operations and native marketplace features. Technology details, it says Primechain as a blockchain about consensus software stack network layers, layouts, and rules. You can learn about that and run a Primechain full node, how to run a full node and become part of the P2P network on Primechain. So check it all out. They have, basically we already went over like tokenomics, which is on the pink sale page. So, but you can check out the roadmap if you want to. It's at docs.primechain.network. And yeah, their pre-sale starts on pink sale in about a day and a half. So check them out. They're trending number 12 right now. PMC is the ticker symbol. That's how you find it. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.